Let's face it, it's difficult to be successful in WWE in one-on-one action, but a fatal four-way, a competitor has just a 25% chance of being victorious. Those aren't the best odds for anyone. And he touches that one. Oh, he missed that one. God, that's gotta hurt.
Yeah, you're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The freeze may give him a couple.
And as Dean Ambrose able to break free.
Not today, too fast.
There's a fine line between capitalizing on an opportunity and outright exploiting it.
Yeah, this guy may be pushing the envelope.
Well, let's get your thoughts here on Sheamus. The fight's being brought right to him.
Okay, this is tough.
Look out. Quick thinking to avoid that. Oh, the reversal by Brock Lesnar. You know, if there was ever a man built to be a WWE superstar, it has to be Brock Lesnar. He's got the body, the attitude, the intensity. He was a champion in college and added a WWE title to his resume within months after joining the company.
I agree. The Beast was born for this, Cole. I won't argue with that. He is a ruthless competitor with the skills to match. But sometimes I might take issue with Brock's tactics. Like the time at the Royal Rumble when he nearly killed Big Show with a steel chair, even after Brock had already won the match. Still, there's no questioning his ability.
Oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
Right, that was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here. And he falls hard.
Well, they couldn't find a home for that one.
Well, it certainly wasn't due to a lack of trying.
Well, King, you said you're not going to question Brock Lesnar's ability, and you shouldn't. But you shouldn't question his tactics either. No matter what it might look like, and no matter what you or anyone else might think, Brock is only doing what's best for himself when it comes to winning matches and getting himself title shots. God, there was nothing accurate about that attempted offense.
You're being too kind. Some people would use other words to describe what we just witnessed. Not today, too fast. Oh!
Quick thinking to avoid that.
Not today, too fast. Well, if those tactics of Brock Lesnar include pummeling unconscious competitors for no apparent reason, then I'll never agree with him. I mean, the man might be a champion, but sometimes he can cross the warrior over the line.
Well, they couldn't find a home for that one.
Well, it certainly wasn't due to a lack of trying, Michael.
God, there was nothing accurate about that attempted offense.
Oh, you're being too kind. Some people would use other words to describe what we just witnessed.
Continues. And he gets out of the way.
Oh, out of nowhere!
Dean Ambrose going for it. Working for control. Got out of the way of that one. That'll rearrange your spine. And he touches that one. That was rough. And as Dean Ambrose able to break free.
Oh, wait, that's reversed.
Seems like these guys are letting out a lot of frustration tonight. Avoids the impact there. What a shot to the back.
Before that, and he's not going to last long. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs bore the brunt of the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe.
In the mid-2000s, Dean Ambrose became known on the independent wrestling circuit for taking and dishing out ungodly amounts of punishment. Fans around the world, Ambrose emerged in 2012 eccentric leader of the Hounds of Justice, known as the Shield.
Well, Ambrose emerged as the leader of the Shield, all right. When they arrived in WWE, the Hounds of Justice planned and carried out vicious attacks on all of WWE's most beloved heroes.
And he fails to connect with anything that time.
Man, that was some miss, all right. I can feel the breeze all the way over here.
And the shoulders up now. That's a kick out.
Nice. You know, it's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in his tank.
Well, eviscerating WWE's most revered figure.
He's got him down, Cole. Is this?
And the shoulders up now. That's a kick out.
Nice.
There's no keeping this guy down tonight.
That landed like a ton of bricks.
God, it's the same move over and over. This is relentless.
I am getting tired of watching this. Do something different.
This kind of offense he's known for.
Yeah, you're right about that. He's made a name for himself with this. Oh, nice counter. Oh, my gosh. Well, we're on the move here. This might be it. Are you kidding? Well, it'll take a minor miracle to come back from this.
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
I think he's got him. Dean Ambrose is a force within the ring. And that shot was dialed in.
Well, they couldn't find a home for that one.
Well, it certainly wasn't due to a lack of trying, Michael.
He could pin us and he kicks out.
And he lives to fight again.
You can't teach heart. Believe me when I tell you this guy is filled with it.
I'm not sure I can watch this. Oh, out of nowhere. This could be big. Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects. He's in full-on attack mode now. Oh, wait, nice reversal.
And he gets out of the way. Man, oh man, did he take a wild swing with that one.
Right, that was wild indeed. Good thing we're over here. Back where it belongs, inside the ring.
And he's heading back in.
I can't blame him. Nothing good is going to happen out here on the floor.
Look at the power. Look at the power of John Cena. Thinking to avoid that.
Looking for one.
Oh, look at that. He managed to get a shoulder up.
Well, like they say, Cole, timing is everything. Again, incredible counter. Ooh, what impact.
Look out. And as Dean Ambrose able to break free.
Well, like he says himself, things have to get worse before they can get better. That's what
The schoolboy can do it.
Yes, it can.
And another kick out. It's a very opportunistic offense here.
Oh, out of nowhere.
Oh, he missed that one. God, that's gotta hurt.
Yeah, we're not doing any damage with swings like that, but keep doing it. The freeze may give him a goal.
Well, those kind of acrobatics will keep the eyes of the WWE Universe on you at all times.
Yeah, I know. After that, I couldn't believe my eyes.
We're looking at complete domination here. John Cena going for it. And here goes Cena.
He's got the shoulders down, Cole.
And he kicks out.
And he lives to fight again. Whoa, check this out. He might have been down, but not out. We've seen this before. Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there. He's got him.
Oh, the reversal by John Cena. There's the pin. And the shoulders up in time.
Well, as long as it's up before that 3 count, that's all that matters. Oh, there is no quit in this man tonight.
And can you know firsthand what the Celtic Warrior is capable of?
Oh, yes, I do. This guy is raw, destructive power.
And the F5. This one's over.
You're right, Cole. Nobody gets up from an F5.
Makes the cut. Man, this is one of those matches you just like to sit back and enjoy watching.
Yeah, one of those you never want to see end.
Got out of the way of that one.
Oh, nice counter.
Taking a bit of a beating so far, but nothing that can't be overcome. People have been wanting to see these guys go, hey,
This may very well be it.
Sheamus shows us some clever offense here.
And he touches that one.
There it is, the high cross.
I love that move, Cole.
A fellow assault with a brutal headbutt.
Yeah, but Cole, that's gotta hurt him as well as it did his opponent.
Avoids the impact there. Going with the inside cradle.
He's got him down, Cole. Is this it?
It could be.
The shoulders are down. Oh, man. How do you beat an opponent that can do that to you? He is just getting busted up. Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King. But I still don't see him giving up. Not today. Fast. He's setting up.
Oh, man. That was a devastating boot from Sheamus.
Well, like we talked about, he did it. What a huge win.
Here is your winner, the Celtic Warrior, Sheamus.
Big win for him here tonight. Looks like it's back to the drawing board for Dean Ambrose. And guys, that's exactly the type of action viewers come to expect here at Hell in a Cell.